fucking beautiful view on this guy. It's usually what you happen.
You know, I love running red lights in the snow because that's your excuse. Stop. I love people what's the good
He's gonna stop. When this dude goes to fucking start driving. Yep. He just sliding out when he left he was at the red light down at Burger King.
You know how four-wheel drive?
See, look at his wheels. Watch this shit. Watch this dude right here. Shit, he's gonna go down. He got a kid in the back seat. I'm a minute into this video right now, and shit is gonna go down. Watch this. Oh, that was a close one. It's gonna happen. This is my directorial debut. Yo, you gotta pay for this shit. And watch, see, now he stopped again. 2 red lights. This dude's got nowhere. This guy's gonna hit someone. Oh my god, I'm putting this shit on YouTube once this dude does.
Your eyes are bald as the pussy.
They are.
And they're flat in the front. That's why shit ain't doing shit. There you go. Spin them out, boy.
Spin them out.
Spin them out, boy.
Let's see it happen.
Spin them out, boy. Spin them out, boy.
Look at the tire marks.
Spin them out, boy.
If you're watching this video, you can
Spin them out,
tire
boy.
marks in them.
It's not gonna catch him hit anything because it's not catching.
What are you, like, driving sideways?
Dude, you fucking.
He is going up the hill sideways.
It really is, though.
This is great. This is great. I will look back at this as one of the better ideas when I'm high.
What is he doing?
Look at, he's backing up. Watch out, he's gonna hit you. There he is in front of us now. He just.
I know everything works out. No, I don't. Yeah, I don't know what to do.
This guy is now stuck.
Yo, hold up. We hit a pole, though.
Oh, he hit the pole. People just go and help him. There they go. Whoa! Whoa! I want to get that all on camera. You almost got.
Fuck that, dude.
Holy shit!
That dude's an idiot, dog. He's driving around with ball tires trying to go over the hill. He hit that pole, though.
He did it that pole.
That's it.